Are you unsure about how your video should be? Don't worry, we got you covered. Here's a step by step guide to help you create the perfect video submission for the Fast Track Scholarship Competition 2024. For this, we're going to have Anna, a culinary student from Spain, and she will guide you through each step of the way. First, introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Anna, and one wild fact about me is that I made the best tortilla in the world.
Next, talk about how you will bring your culture into American hospitality.
I will bring my culture into the American hospitality by introducing my culinary traditions from Spain and showing my coworkers how it's done.
Why should you be chosen?
I should be chosen for this experience because of my passion for kitchen, my experience, my skills, and the love I put in everything that I do.
What department are you interested in and why?
I'm interested in the culinary department because I love cooking and create memorable experience.
What would you like to see more of in the hospitality industry in the future?
I would like to see more sustainability in the kitchen, such as reducing food waste and using more eco friendly materials.
What does the American dream mean to you in the context of a hospitality career in the USA?
To me, the American dream in hospitality means to learn from the best, create new ideas, and make guests really happy.
End your video with a shout out to someone who's inspired your hospitality journey.
I want to give a big thanks to my yaya, my grandma. She's the one who inspired my hospitality journey. She was the one who makes me fall in love with the kitchen, and also she was the one who taught me how to make the best tortilla in the world.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you show all your passions and skills in your video. Remember, check your inbox, complete the eligibility test by June 15, and submit your video by June 20. Good luck, and we can't wait to see you in the program.